everybody. So I'm excited here to share with you today this project. This is my second project for Aunty Vera's Scrapping Craft online store. She is from, she's located in Australia. As I mentioned before when I did my previous project, she sells these monthly kits, which I was able to do this project. There was a lot in the kit. I still have a lot of products left to get maybe like 3 more projects out of it. Possibly, depends on how I use it, but it did come with plenty of sheets of paper. It was a American Crafts Dear Lizzy Star Gazer, and it came with washi tape. It also came with a stamp, which I have yet to use, and the stencil. But I did use on my last one some of these embellishments, and I was going to put some on this, but I had already used it on my previous project, so I figured I'd hold off on that. So I did want to share this with you. I know for a while there was, well, there is sort of still a little bit of a craze of the loaded envelopes, and I felt like this paper line had, you know, it was like a really bright and uplifting paper collection, and so what I was excited to use were also some envelopes that came in the kit as well. So I'll just show you. I didn't fully pack this on with other things that you would normally put into a loaded envelope because I didn't want to take away from, you know, showing you like what I did with the paper. But if you will go to the blog, there is like a short picture tutorial of how I went about making this expandable envelope, because you can use, you know, like the mailing envelopes. There's like a certain size you can use, but I decided to use this expanding one. There's a tutorial that I followed. The link is there as well over on the blog. And also another thing that I did was I added an extra pocket. That's the only thing different that I did from the tutorial. And so that's, like I said, if you go to the blog for Aunty Vera's Scrapping Craft, there you will find my post where the tutorial is, picture tutorial is loaded. So I guess I'll just show you, start from the rosette. I had leftover paper from what I had previously done, and so I did this rosette, and I added these cute little bows, and then I had this really pretty flower. It matched the bow, the color. These bows are these ones from these large ribbon bows. So as you can see, I still have a lot left. So like I say, this kit is packed with plenty of product. And so there's the rosette. I didn't put any washi or anything, I just left it blank. And then another thing that I did is normally we would put like a tag or something down on this, but I altered this cute little notebook, just, you know, to write in. I didn't do the back, but I did do the front, and all I did was add some of the paper. I cut this out from the sheet of cutout little, and I used these scissors again as I used in my previous project. And then I just did the edges here with washi tape. You can see that. And then I just added one of those bows as well. This one says Gorjuss, and this one just has the hearts on it. And then I just added some lace here to kind of cover up the end there. So this was very simple to do. So I'll probably have to adhere the washi better, but I thought it looked really cute, really, you know, bright. And these envelopes here was what I was excited about. These are those, you know, from the Gorjuss girls, and I thought they were so cute, and they're memory pockets. But what I did with them is I added Velcro to them, and that way you could put, you know, some stuff in here. And this one I added just a little bit of lace there, as you can see that. I mean, you can add whatever you want when you do the loaded envelopes, just so you know, whoever you're sending it to gets a little something. Now here in this envelope, what I like doing that I did on my last project too, and I made stickers with some of the cutouts. So these are all stickers that I made, you know, with this Xyron machine. Whoops. So I've been having fun making those. And, you know, these can be used on a planner or whatever. So whoever you're sending this to. And then they fit perfect in these envelopes. And that's super cute. And then, so here's the front. And as you can see the 3 pockets. Here's like a little tag that I was able to fit here on this corner because I rolled down these edges. And then I added another bow from the kit. And then I just added some lace. It's like a lime green lace. I thought this paper was super fun. And then I did another cutout here, and I just added it with a paper clip, and then just put some pearls here. And then down here I added some of the bottom of the, hold on, let me, well, on the paper it has, like on the opposite side, it has, you know, a variety of different patterns of the paper down below, so you don't have to waste the paper. So what I did is I just cut a little bit and I added it here, and then I just put this lace over just so it could kind of peek through. So I thought that was really cute. And I added some lace up on top in there as well. As you can see, you can add a lot in this envelope. And then here's the back. So I added, like I said, another pocket, and then here's some more of that lace. Here's that see-through lace, and then some of that green one again. And then here's this other one that I did Velcro as well. And then in here I just added some, you know, colored sequins. Just something, and then I just made a cute little tag. And again, I used the rest of that paper, like I said, so it wouldn't go to waste, that border. And then I cut this from the cutout sheet, and then I didn't even glue it down. I just put it with washi tape just so it would look, I don't know, I just like the way it looked. So I thought that was really cute, and then I just added this cute little seam binding, kind of matched. But, and then let me just show you the pocket. So I mean, I don't know, I really enjoyed making this. I did have a lot of fun. So there's so much you can do with this kit. Like I was saying, it comes with plenty of products, and there's so many ideas you can make. These are cute even to maybe even make like some kind of, you know, birthday invitations and stuff like that. Maybe like even for like your granddaughter or something, that'd be super cute. But yeah, I will list down below in the description box all the social media sites for Aunty Vera's scrap and crafts shop. And like I said, if you want to see how I did this, you can go check out my blog post. I'll add that as well, the link to that, and I will add of what came in the kit. I'll put the list as well, if you know what I used as well. And so if you know, if she didn't sell out of these, she'll still have these, some left in her shop, and then you know, or you can order February's when that comes as well. But this one is super, like I said, super cute. It's very I don't know, cheerful. I think the colors are bright, and so that's kind of nice. And so anyhow, I hope that you all like my project, and that you will go check out Aunty Vera's online store, as well as the blog and the rest of her social media sites. And I also put a link to the other designers that are on this design team, so I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll be back with another project here real soon. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.